Okay, let's put apart the caliper momentarily to model the braking disc. This is pretty easy actually. First, I will make a disc. Vertex and central axis, and scale. Then select it and bevel it in, and remove the inner poly. Now let's create another mesh. And make another disc, this time with a count of 8 sides. Select it and bevel it in 2 times. 1, shift click, one, shift click, and 2, and remove the inner poly again. So now let's do vertex and central axis, scale it, about so. Okay, this will be the size. Then I'm gonna select this, go to duplicate, clone, with number of let's say 4. Maybe 4 is too much. Let's try 3. Yes, I like 3 more. Now I will select this 3, set the action center to origin, and Y to rotate. Now this 2, rotate, and this last one, and rotate again. So we have this kind of curvy line. Alright. I will now select this 2, and bridge. And do the same with the others. Right click, bridge. Right click, and bridge. That's it. So now I set the action center to known. Go to duplicate, radial array around the Z axis with a count of, I don't know, maybe 20. Yeah, 20 can be the number. Okay, select this this side and this one, parallel to extend the selection. Right click and bridge. Something's wrong here. "22 edges. Okay, let's see. 1, 2. That's 11. 1, 2. Up to 22. 22 edges. This should work. Bridge. Okay, now it's working. Now I want to make a loop slice. So Alt C in uniform. Maybe with a count of 2, even 3. Yes, 3, I guess it's right. Okay, this is what we have. Double click, select, invert, remove, and now again duplicate radial array with a count of 20 around the z-axis and apply. That's it. Let's do a merge, vertex merge with a fixed distance of 1 millimeter. And that's it. I will run a mesh cleanup too, just to make sure, and yes, that's working very nice. Now to make the outer part, I will double click here, and now the action will be extending this edge. I will hit Z, click in the viewport, just click once, don't drag. Hit Z, click once, and then R to scale, and scale it up. And what I need now is to make sure this is a perfect circle, so I'm going to deform, radial align, and click, and this will be a perfect circle. I maybe want to make a loop slice here, uniform with a count of 1. That's it. Okay. And the same for this inner part. Double click, Z, click in the viewport, so I make an extension with a distance of 0. Without dragging, I hit R to scale and scale it down. Something like this. And again, radial align, and we're done. Again, I will need to make a loop slice here with a count of maybe 2, 3, maybe 3. Good work. Okay. So this will be a break disk. If I hit tab and get rid of the wireframes, this will be our shape. Very nice. Now we only need to select everything. Shift X to extrude, and extrude it about so. And last operation will be double click these two edges and these two. So I can make a bevel in square mode, about so. And this way, if I hit tab again, we have here breaking disk. Let's rename this to break disk, and I want to make an instance of this item, so right click and instance. Now in item selection, I want to move this. By the way, I don't want this to be a bounding box, so I'm going to display and take the bounding box option. So now I can find a good distance for the two breaks. Okay. I will now go to a front view and make another mesh, hit N. I will rename this as breaking disk inside. And I just need to draw a simple polygon. Go to vertex and central axis. Move it about here. And from here I will go to duplicate, radial array, count of, that's right, 40. Yes, this could be a good number. Now from the top view, I will move this here. I'll extrude to here. And this will be that's it. This would be the final shape of our braking disc. I will group all these meshes, so I will select the 3, Control G to make a folder. I will rename that folder to braking disc. So now if I enable the rim mesh from let's say top view, I can move all this folder to something about here. That's it. This will be the caliper, so I will group and name it caliper to that folder. And this is what we have. We can now place this caliper. Let's go to caliper. I'll make this visible. Okay. I will go to the Brembo logo. Select all the polys, Control X and Control V. Let's go to a front view. I'll make visible the backdrop. I will now rotate this, put it into place and scale it down. To, let's say, the size. Okay, from top view I can now place this guy here, but so let's see what we have. Okay, we need some tweaks here and there. I think I want the caliper to be a bit smaller. About so, yes, I think this size could work. Okay. Yeah, this is fine. Let's do the other part of the caliper. So in polygon mode, I'm going to duplicate mirror in the set and apply. Now we need to fix this Brembo logo. Let's select everything in the logo, And to fix this, we can scale it in the vertical axis with the negative scale enable. So this way we can apply a minus 100% in the y-axis, and we make sure it's completely mirror. Once you do this, hit F to flip the polygons, and you're done. Now from the top view, I want to move this here, and also this other side to here. So now the caliper is in its place, and I only need to fix some things in this mesh to make the final shape of the caliper.